It seems like every time I need this, it's got a flat tire. I have to pump it up with air or fix the tire before I can use it for 5 minutes. It gets really aggravating. This one's got a flat tire in the front. I found a new product I'm going to try today. I'm not selling it. I just want to show it to you because I've tried it already and I really like it because it worked. Here it is. It's called FlatOut. It prevents and repairs flat tires. So not only if you have a flat tire will it fix it, it'll prevent it from getting flat. And I love that idea. This particular formula is for off-road vehicles. So four-wheeled quads, our e-bikes, wheelbarrows, wagons. You put it in as a liquid and it's guaranteed to stay liquid for 10 years. So let's get into this and see how it works. All right, well, this is a pretty simple process. Rotate the tire so it's straight up and down. They give you this tool which takes the valve stem out. It's just like a slotted, hollowed out tool, and you fit it in there and you'll feel it catch. Unscrew it. All right, so there's the outer end of that valve stem, and you can see the way this fits right in it like that. Oops. Now they give you the pump, the hose, and I shook it up a little bit, even though they don't tell you you have to. You just insert this hose on the pump nozzle. This one is a 1-gallon container, and this is going to slide over the valve stem. For a tire like a wheelbarrow or this garden wagon, they suggest you use about 16 ounces. And they also say that the pump, a full pump, is 1 ounce. So once this fills up with fluid, I'll pump it 16 times, and that'll be enough of this sealant in the tire for 1 tire. So let's give it a try. All right, it's in already. You see the color. So I'm gonna count it 16 times. So as the tire rotates, it'll continuously seal this edge all the way around the rim, as well as any hole or leak I may have in the tire. All right, so we're gonna put this back in to rotate the tire. And in a matter of minutes, this tire is done. I'm gonna look and see if I can't find a leak in it. Okay, so you can see here's one here and there's one there. It seals it almost instantly. It's fixed. I'm happy when I do something quick like that and it works. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe so you can see more videos like this from me. With that said, I'm the Everyday Man, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.